Hi friends, welcome back to Thought channel. In this channel, we are taking up challenging tasks, and in front of you, we are trying to accomplish all the task challenges. So if you don't forget our channel, please feel free to subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon and hit the like button. So let's take up the today's task. I am also eagerly waiting what is inside it. Hi man, I hope you are strong in mathematics. Have fun. Yeah, I know. Cool. Hey buddy, welcome back. I bought a new Rubik Cube today. Oh my god, I am aware of the way to solve it. It took me 5 minutes to finish the Rubik Cube. The challenge is to complete it in Rubik Cube in 3 minutes. Good luck. Oh my god, I think their expectation is to complete the Rubik Cube in 3 minutes. So let me try with this and we will start now. Rubik Cube we got Tim. Let me try to reshuffle this now and we will start it, okay? So let me reshuffle this now. Let me start. So I think first let me try to join the first piece like the one face with the same color. Let me choose the red for now. Okay, let me try to make the red as a top for now, and let me try to collect all the red on the top level. Cool. Yeah, I did the plus with red for now, and let me cover the edge pieces now. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I did the first phase of the Rubik now. Let me take the second row. Yeah, time is also still running. Wow, the second row also the same color I did it, but I need to make some circle for that. Yes. I thought it's really so easy one, but it's quite complicated. So yeah. It just two pieces need to be done. Then I did the second row completion now. Okay. Yeah, quick. We are also running out of time. Cool. Come on. Woohoo! Yeah, that's the last piece is in. Yep. That is the blue one. Blue and yellow need to be there and right. Yep. It is. Woohoo! I did it. Let me make the last row now. It's just a 3 corner. It just needs to be changed. I'm going to complete it now, guys. Yes. Cool. This is how it's done. So let me show you all those colors now. Perfect. Fine guys, finally we did it, and let me come to the declaration part. So we did it, but some time elapsed, but we get a great fun. So I hope this video really enjoy you all guys. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon and hit the like button. We'll see you in the next video guys. Love you guys.